in today's video we are going to unbox the phone. Its phone is like a beast. This video is going to be very special because I ordered this phone personally for me. That's my phone, and watch the video till the end. And this phone is launched just few days ago. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, the phone is in my hand, and let's see. As you can see, the picture of the phone in front of the box, Infinix Note 7. A main highlight is 48 megapixel quad camera, Helio G70 octa-core processor, 4 plus 64 GB DTS surround sound, and a punch hole display. And the special thing is it's the 7 inches phone, and its name is also Infinix Note 7. 4GB 64GB variant, and G70 is the special for gaming. And this side Note 7, and this side Infinix, branding of Infinix, and this side also Note 7. This side some information, made in India. And as you guys know, I like made in India phones. I ordered this phone for myself. There are some specs written on the box behind. Note 7. It has one variant, 6 plus 128 GB, but it is not available in India, and this is an Indian variant. This is not a Chinese variant. 6.95 HD plus full view display, high gaming performance, Helio G70, 48 megapixel quad AI camera, artificial intelligence, 16 megapixel in-display camera, side mounted fingerprint and face unlock, 18 watt fast charging, 5000 mAh battery, made in India. And this phone's price is 15,000 on the box. And I bought this phone for dash. See the full video and I'll tell you the price. Star value within limits. Let's open the box. So first, the phone, some specs. 48 megapixel camera, full view display, same on the box. Let's remove this. As you guys see, 7-inch display, full view HD plus curved glass displays behind. So remove this. Let's look around the phone. 48 megapixel camera, quad depth sensor, 4 LED flash, and this side headphone jack, mic, speaker grill, micro USB port. This side fingerprint sensor, volume rocker. This side clean, and this side is SIM tray. It has dedicated SIM slot. I've already installed the SIMs and memory card and booted the phone. Sorry for you guys, and already opened this box before, and I'm using this phone. Let's keep this aside and see what's inside more box accessories. This is micro USB cable, and this is fast charger. It supports 18 watt fast charging, and the branding of Infinix. And this is SIM ejector pin, and this is warranty card, user manual, and this is the case, TPU case, and the good quality. And there is no earphone. That's my complaint to the Infinix. There is no earphone, and the scratch card, and the X Club membership. Let's set this cover on this phone. Yeah, let's put up the device. Powered by Android Infinix. It is gem cut design, and this, I like this design and this color. This color is forest green. I ordered this phone from Flipkart. The link is in description if you want to buy this phone. Pair time required after restarting the device, and the phone is started now. As you can see, this display. The phone is very fast. It is in the first you have installed First time you have got some bloatwares and some ads, you can disable them, and soon I'm going to review this phone fast. Comment guys if you want to see the review of this phone. Let's go in the settings my phone. This phone runs on XOS Android Delphin 6.1, 4GB RAM, 64GB, 16 megapixel front camera, 48 megapixel quad camera, Android 10, 720x140 display, 5000 mAh battery, Helio G70, and some information. I've installed some apps already in this phone, and this phone is good for gaming. Let's test fingerprint sensor. As you guys see, it is so fast, amazing guys, it's so fast. And let's try face unlock. You guys see, face unlock, the face unlock and fingerprint sensor is working very fast and very well guys. I show you front camera of this phone. This is the back camera. It has beauty mode, bokeh mode, super night mode, air shot, panorama, documents, and it has slow motion video recording, short video, and it has image stabilization video. And let's open the front camera. Let's capture the image. Let's see. Look guys, these are some details of the front camera. As you guys see, very good, very nice. Let's capture something from the back camera. Let's capture the image of this charger. Let's try macro shot. Let's see the image. Look guys, the camera quality, it is very good, very good, very good. Camera perfect, battery perfect, everything is perfect in this phone. So guys, this was the phone, and if you want to ask something you can comment me down, and like the video, share the video, subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos like that, and share the video. Bye bye guys.